Want to grow on YouTube without showing your face or recording your voice? Hey Visioneers, I'm Augusta. Let me show you how you can automate your entire YouTube video process using ChatGPT and CapCut, step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start by choosing a niche that works well with automation, like facts, motivation, top 10s, or tutorials. These types of content don't need a personal voice or face to go viral. Step 2. Now open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a script for your topic. For example, write a 1-minute script for a video about 10 mind-blowing space facts. You can edit the response or ask ChatGPT to shorten, rewrite, or simplify. Tip: always make sure the script has a strong hook, main content, and a call to action. Step 3. If you want voiceovers but don't want to speak, you can use AI voice generators like 11 Labs or TTS apps, or just add text captions in CapCut. It still works great for shorts and reels. Step 4. Open CapCut desktop or mobile. Import your script or voiceover and start adding visuals. Use stock videos, AI-generated clips, or screen recordings to match your script. Add smooth transitions, captions, and background music. CapCut has free libraries. Use the auto captions feature. It saves a lot of time. Step 5. Add a logo, subscribe animation, and check the aspect ratio, 9:16 for shorts, 16:9 for regular videos. Once you're happy, export in 1080p or 4K for the best quality. That's it. Step 6. Once your video is exported, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Create, Upload Video, and choose your final file. While it uploads, carefully fill out your title, description, and tags. Use ChatGPT again to help you write an eye-catching title and SEO-optimized description. Just type, write a YouTube title and description for a video about your topic. Step 7. Even with automated videos, your thumbnail makes all the difference. You can use Canva, Photopea, or even CapCut to design eye-catching thumbnails. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and an image that tells a story at a glance. Keep it clean, clear, and clickable. Step 8. Once everything is ready, you can publish immediately or schedule your video for the best time. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find the ideal posting times based on your audience. And finally, you've just automated a full YouTube video using ChatGPT and CapCut. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to grow your channel the smart way using AI tools like ChatGPT and CapCut, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Got questions or want a tutorial on a specific tool? Drop it in the comments. I'm here to help you level up your content game. Until next time, keep creating and stay consistent. This is Augusta, signing off.